初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
最近的药店在哪里？
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Do you sell this medicine?
Do you sell this medicine?
你们卖这种药吗？
Do you sell this medicine?
Do you sell this medicine?
I'm looking for cold medicine.
I'm looking for cold medicine.
我在找感冒药。
I'm looking for cold medicine.
I'm looking for cold medicine.
Do you have painkillers?
Do you have painkillers?
你们有止痛药吗？
Do you have painkillers?
Do you have painkillers?
I need allergy medicine.
I need allergy medicine.
我需要抗过敏药。
I need allergy medicine.
I need allergy medicine.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
请问你能帮我吗？
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Is there a pharmacist here?
Is there a pharmacist here?
这里有药剂师吗？
Is there a pharmacist here?
Is there a pharmacist here?
Do you have this in stock?
Do you have this in stock?
这个有现货吗？
Do you have this in stock?
Do you have this in stock?
Where are the vitamins?
Where are the vitamins?
维生素在哪里？
Where are the vitamins?
Where are the vitamins?
I need some bandages.
I need some bandages.
我需要一些绷带。
I need some bandages.
I need some bandages.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
我喉咙痛。
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
I'm coughing a lot.
I'm coughing a lot.
我咳嗽得很厉害。
I'm coughing a lot.
I'm coughing a lot.
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
我觉得很累。
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
我流鼻涕。
I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
My head hurts badly.
My head hurts badly.
我头疼的厉害。
My head hurts badly.
My head hurts badly.
I can't sleep well.
I can't sleep well.
我睡不好。
I can't sleep well.
I can't sleep well.
My stomach feels upset.
My stomach feels upset.
我胃不舒服。
My stomach feels upset.
My stomach feels upset.
I feel dizzy today.
I feel dizzy today.
我今天头晕。
I feel dizzy today.
I feel dizzy today.
I have a skin rash.
I have a skin rash.
我起了皮疹。
I have a skin rash.
I have a skin rash.
My eyes are itchy.
My eyes are itchy.
我眼睛痒。
My eyes are itchy.
My eyes are itchy.
How should I take this?
How should I take this?
这个药该怎么服用？
How should I take this?
How should I take this?
Can I take it with food?
Can I take it with food?
可以随餐服用吗？
Can I take it with food?
Can I take it with food?
How many times a day?
How many times a day?
一天几次？
How many times a day?
How many times a day?
Is there any side effect?
Is there any side effect?
有什么副作用吗？
Is there any side effect?
Is there any side effect?
Can I take this at night?
Can I take this at night?
可以晚上服用吗？
Can I take this at night?
Can I take this at night?
Is this safe for children?
Is this safe for children?
这个对儿童安全吗？
Is this safe for children?
Is this safe for children?
Can pregnant women use it?
Can pregnant women use it?
孕妇可以用吗？
Can pregnant women use it?
Can pregnant women use it?
How long should I take it?
How long should I take it?
需要服用多久？
How long should I take it?
How long should I take it?
Will it make me sleepy?
Will it make me sleepy?
会让我犯困吗？
Will it make me sleepy?
Will it make me sleepy?
Can I drink alcohol with it?
Can I drink alcohol with it?
可以喝酒吗？
Can I drink alcohol with it?
Can I drink alcohol with it?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
这个多少钱？
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
可以用信用卡吗？
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
Can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
可以现金支付吗？
Can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
Is there any discount?
Is there any discount?
有折扣吗？
Is there any discount?
Is there any discount?
Can I use this coupon?
Can I use this coupon?
可以用这张优惠券吗？
Can I use this coupon?
Can I use this coupon?
Do you have a loyalty card?
Do you have a loyalty card?
有会员卡吗？
Do you have a loyalty card?
Do you have a loyalty card?
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
请给我收据。
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
Can I return unopened items?
Can I return unopened items?
未开封的商品可以退吗？
Can I return unopened items?
Can I return unopened items?
Do you deliver to homes?
Do you deliver to homes?
可以送货上门吗？
Do you deliver to homes?
Do you deliver to homes?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。